Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and creating a safe rollback. Make a OneDrive or external backup and create a system restore point. Once done, run disk cleanup and remove temp files to free immediate space. This reduces fragmentation and speeds scans. Uninstall unused apps via Settings Apps so you cut background resource drains. Make sure to note any product keys or custom settings before removal. These quick preparatory steps let you perform deeper maintenance without risking loss. Now move into the heavier work. Run chkdsk if you suspect disk errors, then sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. This fixes stability issues. Next, enable Storage Sense and apply Windows cleanup recommendations to manage large files automatically. Update Windows and device drivers to ensure compatibility and performance. Finally, open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup items so boot times drop. These steps optimize core OS integrity and prevent recurring slowdowns. To finish, verify everything runs smoothly. If not, consider a reset or fresh start with your backups ready. This reinstalls Windows while preserving select files. Run a full antivirus scan and a reputable cleanup tool to remove leftover junk. If a problem persists, boot into safe mode to isolate drivers or services and use the restore point you made earlier to roll back changes. One key troubleshooting tip: if performance drops after an update, uninstall the update or use system, restore before trying a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.